Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic about National Civil Services Day. The National Civil Services Day was observed on 21st April every year. In 1947, India's first independent Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel addressed probationary Indian Administrative Service officers at Metcalfe House at New Delhi. Cornwallis is the father of civil services in India, and Satyendranath Thakur was the first Indian to join into Indian civil services. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel referred Indian civil servants as the steel frame of India, and the first National Civil Services Day was held in New Delhi 21st April 2006. Earlier in British rule, the name of civil services was Indian Civil Services. Later it was changed as All India Civil Services, and it was completely controlled by India. It is the permanent executive branch of Republic of India. The policies and the schemes were made by the government. The civil servants are the administrators and the responsible persons to implement the policies made by the government to the ground level. It consists of IAS, IPS, IFS and other central Group A and Group B services which are on the supervisory bodies. The civil service system is the backbone of the administrative machinery of the country. Civil servants are the employees of the Government of India or of the state governments, but not all the employees are called as civil servants. The present Indian civil services pattern is based on formerly Indian Civil Services of British rule. On these National Civil Services Day, Prime Minister award Excellence in Public Administration awards to the best civil servants of India. A large number of districts participate in these award functions for their extraordinary services rendered in the public administration. The Prime Minister Award for Excellence in Public Administration is categorized into three types. It comprises of 8 northeastern states and hill states, namely Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. The second category consists of 7 union territories, and the third category consists of the rest of the remaining 18 states of India. Under this scheme of awards instituted in 2006, the officers are individually participate or as a group or as an organization are eligible to participate in these awards. The prize per the administrator is a medal, a scroller and rupees 1 lakh of worth of cash. In this case of a group of persons, the award money is rupees 5 lakhs subjected to 1 lakh per person. The award function is organized by the Department of the Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances and Ministry of Personnel and Public Grievances and Persons.